Hi, we're having a SharePoint requirements for contract document generation uh, from questionnaires that is hosted on SharePoint website that will collect this information and create a contract PDF document, and it will save this information into structured data on SharePoint lists, and it should generate the PDF document and attach it to the PDF to the SharePoint list. Additionally, the solution will support multi-languages. And if we have a look at the overview of the solution, we are having SharePoint as our database, and we have the solution hosted. It's developed using web parts, using SPFX framework. It uses React Material UI and React components. SharePoint lists our is acting as our database. We are having also microservice, which is a good choice for cost management as it's charged by requests. The microservice will receive the requests from our SharePoint solution. It will process the request and create a PDF document, which is a contract, and it will attach this PDF document to the SharePoint list item. So let's see how this is working in action. In SharePoint, we have the structures of the SharePoint lists. Contracts is our main list that holds the contracts. We have properties, which is related to contract. It's in relationship with, like, it's children of the contracts, and also owners are the owners of these contracts. You can have multiple owners and multiple properties for each contract. And we have our solution for the SharePoint. So let's try to add a contract using this questionnaire. It has like 7 steps. You can go back and forth, and can change the language, and um, it has already a validation. So if your information is not valid, it will not let you go to next step. And so we have here two persons, two owners. So if there are two owners, you are going to fill two forms, and if there are more, it's going to have more forms to fill. And you have type of the mandate and number of properties. You can also have multiple properties. And same like owners, you will have more forms if you have more properties. So if you fill all the information and everything is correct, we are going to authorize some stuff here. So there are yes or no questions. And finally, we are going to generate our contract. So the contract is generated successfully. You can see that we have a new contract and two properties and two owners for this contract. If we open the contract, we have contract information. We can open owners. We have these two owners, and we can open properties. We have two properties with details. And if we open the contract, we should get the contract PDF generated by the microservices and attach it to the contract item. So if we open it, we can see that our information has filled this template, and it can add multiple pages and multiple uh, properties and owners, and it will add signatures at the end. Our information are generated from the questionnaire correctly. And that's it. And thank you.